Namaste. We welcome you to this live session, and on behalf of Purva School of Bharatanatyam and all the members who are participating today, I welcome and invite our Guru, Dr. Shri Sharad Pandya, to conduct today's online festival to celebrate World Dance Day, which was on 29 April 2020. This being a Sunday seems to be a very apt day to celebrate, as all from different continents can come together and celebrate this beautiful art which joins us, which binds us beyond boundaries. Over to Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya. Thank you so much. Viewers, please stay with us. One humble request, once it is 1 hour from now, kindly migrate and join us on Purva Parampara ID on Instagram, because Instagram allows us 60 minutes non-stop story and then it automatically gets disconnected. So once it is 60 minutes from now, and if our festival program is not over, kindly join us on Purva Parampara after this 1 hour from now. Thank you so much. Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya.
Welcome you all. As you know that 29th April is a World Dance Day, but it was a regular day, weekday. So we thought that we should keep it on the Sunday so that our viewers out of India who also join us and they wanted to see our Indian classical dance, especially Bharatanatyam. So we shifted over to the 2 days, 3rd day of May, because lots of our students are going to participate in this festival online from countries like USA, Canada, and other things. So hope that everybody will enjoy this the festival, online festival that we are going to present today, first time ever. And idea behind this is that even so many my disciples who are stay abroad, India, they were regular performers in my performing group. But after getting marriage or for purpose of studying or settle down abroad, unfortunately they were not in touch somehow with the dance around more than 20-25 years. But even then they are also joining us and they are practicing since last 15 days online, and I wanted them to become in this flow of Indian classical dance again, and what the talent they have, and they were performing in India and out of India with me in Purva performing group. So just to encourage them and what the talent they have, and I am happy that recently I traveled in Brazil and USA, and many of the students, my old disciples, I have seen them, and the senior disciples, I have seen them, their form, the dance forms and technical things are there in their body. Little bit stamina must be here and there, so that is a different story. But happy to see that the form is there, basic things are there in their body. So I thought let that talent should come again in the flow of regular lifestyle again in their lives, and so they should present something what they have learned. So now we are starting with the performances. Of course, we are going to have some dance items partially, and sometimes the new viewers, the younger one, those who become mothers now, so they want to show them the basic thing, how the movement started, how the dance has been learned. So few of them, they will present the basic movement also. So the basic movement and then some item partially and fully. So now first my performer of this online festival is Mrs. Neha Patel from USA, and within a second she will be online and she will be live, and she will perform Adabus. So I welcome Mrs. Nehal Patel from USA. Just we are trying to connect her, This is the technical things, so please bear with this. She will dance some adavus, the basic movement of the Bharatanatyam. She is settled in the USA more than 25 years. Now she is online. Well, namaste Nehal. Hope. Okay. So after 25 years, you are going to perform some basic movements. Hope that you will enjoy and definitely your followers also. So let's start with the Adavu and yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Yung. Three. Yung. And 3. Yung. Three. Yung. And 3. Yung. Three. Yung. And 3. This is one of the basic movement of Bharatanatyam what she performed. I think she is now going to present the next Adavu. That is it's a part of the Natkadav and it is number 6. So Nehal, please be ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Yung. Three. Yung. Three. Yung. Three. Yung. And 3. Yung. Three. Yung. And 3. Yung. Three. Yung. So the second set, what she wanted to perform, she performed, and the last one, that is very important Adavu of this Bharatanatyam technique, and that is called Ginnatom. 1, 2, 3, 4, Ginnatom. Ding, Ginnatom. Ding, Ginnatom. That's wonderful, no problem. It's really, I'm happy to see you performing again after almost more than 25, 26 years. And the basic things are very nice, linings are very neat, rhythm is very fine. So I really appreciate you, Neha. So if you want to say something, you can say, and we can switch over to the another performer. You can go a little back. That yeah, that's fine.
I would just say that a blessing to be part of this, and I reconnected to my root years, and I could feel that the movements are there, but my strength is not there. But it's all about working. And listen, once I do that, it's all going to be better. I'm really happy to be part of it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, so nice. It's a wonderful words you have, and hope to see you more and more dancing in near future. So my blessings are always with you. So please take care of yourself and your family. Now we move to the next performer, and she is Mansi, and she is from Canada. Within a second, she will be here with us. So hope that you will enjoy all this, and you are enjoying this one. So now we are inviting Mansi Rangarwala from Canada. Within a second, she must be online. Yeah, she is here now. Namaste, Mansi. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, sir. I hope everybody can see.
Uh, yeah. Just please sit down that I can see your face. Okay. So, yeah. How is the weather in Canada right now?
It's nice today, very nice today.
Okay, and I'm very happy that after a long gap of your performances with the Purva performing group, you have rejoined with me, learning with from basic again since last 1 month, and I think you are going to perform today Alaripu.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Let's start then. Dalam upaya tabingnya tompa, teyong, tatam, tidak pada tak, teyong, tatam, tidak pada tam, tam, tidak pada tey, tidak pada tam, tam, tidak pada tey, tidak pada tam, tam, tey, tam, tam, tey, tam, tam, tey, tam, That's wonderful, Mansi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can share your experience with our seniors to you and juniors to you, and the recently those who are learning right now in a basic format.
Namaste to all. I have been associated with Purva School of Bharatanatyam for past 17, 18 years now. And it is so nice for Guruji, Neeru ma'am and Mansi to think of such an innovative idea to celebrate World Dance Day. And we are fortunate to be a part of it. Even though we are so very far from India, we have this opportunity to be connected with the grassroots of what we've learned. So I really feel fortunate, and once again, thank you so much, sir, for giving us this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you very much, Mansi. It's wonderful words, very wonderful words from you. I was expecting same kind of feelings from you. So that's wonderful. Now we are next moving to next participant, and yes. So
Dipshita.
okay, now the younger performer from Purva, Dipshita Pandya, she will be joining right now, and She is also a member of our Purva performing group recently, at present, and she is also taking advanced training with me. Within seconds, she must be online, and she will present her one of the short piece. Namaste, Ipsita.
Namaste, sir.
Wonderful to see you in the siding.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I think you are going to present
Jagdish?
Jatiswaram, a piece from Jatiswaram.
Yes.
Okay, she is going to present the beginning two piece of Jatiswaram. It is in Rag Vasanta and set to Rupakatal, Chaturashriyati Rupakatal. So hope you are ready, Ipsita?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sa ni da ma ga re ni sa ti sa ga ma da ni da sa ni da ma ga re ni sa ti sa ga dalam kita penting menonton passion dari kata Wonderful, Ichita. That's nice, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Ichita. I think you want to say something.
Yes, sir.
Sit down and say. Sit down, sit down.
It's an amazing feeling, sir. I was so excited to join here and feeling very blessed to be a part of Pura Parivar.
Okay, that's wonderful thoughts from you. So now we are having another our disciple, member of Purva. It's Mrs. Dipali Jani. Shital Soni. She is the first batch disciple of my dance school. Within a second, she will be joining us. We are hoping that she will get connected as early as possible. And now we are looking forward to connect with Shital Soni. Rather say, we must say that Mrs. Shital Soni. So there is some technical issues is coming up, but I think it will be solved at the earliest. Just look at there. Just check it again. Now hopefully she will be online. Yeah, she is online now. Welcome, Shital Soni. Namaste. Okay. And I think you are going to present the part of the Shabdam. Okay. She is a senior most disciple of the Purva School of Bharatanatyam, and she is a student of the first batch of the Purva School of Bharatanatyam. So almost now she is with me more than 37 years now. Okay, Sheetal, a little go back. That's wonderful, Sheetal. Seeing you after so many long gap.
Yeah.
That's wonderful piece you have chosen. That's wonderful. Amazing.
Thank you.
હા હા કશું બોલવું તો બોલીને પછી આપણે આગળના પરફોર્મરને જોઈન કરીએ આપણી સાથે જોડીએ.
Sir, I am very much thankful to
Bookmark.
you, sir, to give me a chance in this World Dance Day performance, and I am very much happy. And this is my first experience for this live performance, and I was very much excited, and I am very much happy, sir. I am very much blessed. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Lots of blessings. Now we are moving to our next performer, and now the next performer is again from USA, one of the senior most disciple, Srimati Dipali Jani from USA, and recently we had a good time in USA. So hoping that she also join us very quickly. And let's see what she is going to present. And she's also performing after around 26 years or more than that. And they were working so hard since last more than 15, 17 days. So hoping to be with us at the earliest. Now I think she's be with us within second.
Namaste, sir.
Happy to see you, Dipali, and all that's practice Hari. That's wonderful. Namaste. I think you are presenting Alaripu, and I think you are performing more than 26 years.
Yes.
Okay. I know that you are going to, in today's words, you are going to rock this evening here, not there. Yeah, okay. So let's begin your dance. Then you can share two lines of your feedback. Okay?
Sir.
Talam puta petading en la tonta, teyong, tatam, kita tagata, teyong, tatam, kita tagatam, tam, kita tagatay, tatay, teyong, kita tagatam, tam, kita tagatay, tatay, kita tagatam, tam, tey, tatay, tam, tam, tey, tatay, tam, tam, tey, tatay, tam, tam, tey. That's wonderful, Dipali.
Sir,
After seeing you full dance, pure dance after 27 years, it is not easy. I know it is tiring and time consuming, but it's wonderful. If you want to share something, you can share. So then after we can switch over to our next participants.
first of all, sir, thank you so much કે તમને આવી ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી આપી અને ઇટ ફીલ્સ લાઈક કે વી આર સો બ્લેસ્ડ કે અમને તમારા જેવા ગુરુ મળ્યા અને તમે હજુ અમારો હાથ પકડી રાખ્યો છે અને વી આર સો હેપી કે અમે તમારા શિષ્ય છીએ અને આવી રીતના આગળ કરતા રહીએ એવી અમારી આશા છે. તમને આંટીને માનસીને બધાને બહુ જ આભાર અને આવી રીતે આપણે કરતા રહીશું સર. નમસ્તે સર.
Thank you so much. ખાલી હાથ પકડી રાખ્યો છે ને તમને પૂરા પકડી રાખેલા છે અને પકડી રાખવાના જ છે. So hope to see you soon online again. That's wonderful words, wonderful feelings, and happy to see you again.
Thank you so much, sir.
And we will be connected. Okay, so now we are moving to the next one. Thank you so much, Dipali. That's wonderful. Now we are moving to our another one artist. Let's see that I don't want to give the name who is going to perform next. I think you are known to her. I think two people will be joining with you. So hope to see you. That I am not giving the names right now, but now when you see them, now she's there on the line now. Not only she is, but somebody else also giving the company in performance. You have to bear with this segment, especially this one, because you know that we are here in one hall. So echo will be little there, so please bear with that. So now hope that everybody is now recognizing both these people. They are going to present a small piece of Jatiswaram, Saveni. That's wonderful. Hope that you must have enjoyed both of them. Neeru means your Neeru auntie. Wanted to say something.
I think there will be echo. Better if she sits there and says part of the world. નમસ્તે બધા પૂર્વાના મારા વાલા સ્ટુડન્ટ સભ્યો બધા અને એના પેરેન્ટ્સ લવલી પેરેન્ટ્સ જે બધાને સપોર્ટ એકબીજાને આપીએ છીએ આપણે અને આજના દિવસે બધાને અભિનંદન અને કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન કે એક સાથે આપણે એક પ્લેટફોર્મ પર એક મીડિયમથી આપણે બધા સાથે કરી રહ્યા છે જે થોડું થોડું પણ મને પણ થયું કે હું પણ આમાં જોઈન થઉં એટલે વાયરસના લીધે આપણે બધા થોડા મનથી એવી રીતે થયેલા છે તો આપણા માધ્યમથી થોડું બધાને પણ સારો સમય જાય બનાવવાનો બધાને થેન્ક્સ નમસ્તે.
So ખૂબ લાગણીસભર શબ્દો પછી આપણે આપણા નેક્સ્ટ જે પાર્ટિસિપન્ટ છે she is Shrimati Megha Shah from Ahmedabad. She will be joining us very quickly, and I think she is online, and she will be here on the platform within few seconds. So let's wait that she should connect with us. Okay, she is online now.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste, Megha. कैसी हो? How are you doing?
Fine.
अहमदाबाद में तो बहुत कोरोना का तकलीफ हो रहा है ना?
जी गुरुजी, बिल्कुल.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. तो आई थिंक आज आप शब्दम का ही एक पार्ट करने जा रही हो.
जी गुरुजी.
कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर लो, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं. ठीक है. हाँ. मैयल में भूले जन्म से भूले Parang That's wonderful, Megha.
Namaste.
Seeing you after so many months, or I think, but rather not so many months, but of course you also perform in the 6th and 7th Krupa International Festival recently in February. That's wonderful. Okay, you can say something, few words, not so much in detail right now, because so many students are waiting.
I want to.
Okay, so please go ahead.
Namaste, Guruji. Namaste, everyone.
Namaste.
I want to say lot of things, but as time is very less, so I just want to thank you, Guruji, for this unique idea. This is the unique idea. I don't think everyone but must be doing it, but online performance and festival is the unique idea, best idea. And thanks for giving me the opportunity to be the part of this wonderful festival.
Okay, thank you so much. It's a wonderful word from you, and hope to see you some again with your dance performances and dance practice. So now we are say bye bye to Megha, and now we are switching over to one of the senior most my disciple, Krupa Trivedi from USA. She will be right now, within a second, she will be with us online from USA, rather you can say south of America. She is living in USA, and recently I had a chance to meet her with her family, and we had a master class and workshops and lots of things there. So eager to see Krupa online. Within a few seconds, she will be online. She's online. Happy to see you, Krupa.
Happy to see you, sir.
Yes, so now I think you are also going to present Alaripu.
Yes.
And after more than 27 years, I think you are performing again.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start with the Alaripu. Talang kupa tading na tompa, peyum, tatam, pidatatam, peyum, tatam, pidatatam, tam, pidatatam, tatay, pidatatam, tam, pidatatam, tatay, pidatatam, bitam, tatay, tam, bitam, tatay, tam, bitam, tatay, tam, bitam, taday tam, taday tam, bitam, taday tam, bitatay, taday tam, bitatay, taday tam, bitato, taday tam, bitatay, taday tam, bitatay, taday tam, bitatay, taday tam, bitam, bitatay, tatay, bitatam, bitam, bitatay, tatay, bitatam, bitam, taday tam, bitam, taday tam, bitam, taday tam, bitam, taday tam, bitatay, taday tam, bitam, taday That's amazing to see you again.
Thank you, sir.
Krupa, that was wonderful.
Thank you, sir. But sir, thank you for just.
Yeah. Take deep breath and then speak.
I know it's after so many years. It's hard to say to dance, but thanks to you for giving opportunity, do it, and bring all the memories back. And it was amazing to see everybody performing. Gives us more kind of confidence. So yes, we can do it again too. So thank you very much.
Yes, because you are always connected with the heart, soul, with the mind. Though physically there is lots of different, geographically distance is too much, but thanks to this technology, and I must say that all the Purva Jamai, I must say, they always encourage all the students, all my girls, my children. So I am very happy that they are always encouraging, though they are so far from this our country, motherland. So that was a wonderful. I have to say bye-bye and namaste to you,
Yes,
as other participants are waiting in queue.
Sure.
So now, after this, we are going to have one of the senior most disciple, and we call that she's a musician of voice.
Thank you. Namaste to all.
Namaste. So, now we are going to have one of the senior most disciple, and you must have heard her from behind the screen, always on the performances, and golden voice she has said, and she always compares our beautiful programs, and she is none other than Rashmi Kulkarni. I think she will be this form. Tell Rashmi what you are going to present today.
No, I'm going to
So then I will.
the shlokam.
Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, so let's, without wasting time, we should start with her performance, Shlokam. This is the Shlokam about the adornments, the description of the adornments of the Lord Krishna. And I think you are performing this after how many years?
More than 25 years.
Oh, everybody have got that same number. That's good. Okay, without wasting more time, let's see that now she's performing Shlokam. Kasturi Tilakam Lalat Palake Kasturi Tilakam ललाट पलके वक्षस्थले कौस्तुभ्यम् नासाग्रे वरमोक्तिकम् करतले वेणु करे कंकणम् सर्वांगे हरिचन्दनम् सर्वांगे हरिचन्दनम् सुललितम् कण्ठे च मूकावलिम् गोपस्त्री परिवेष्टितो गोपस्त्री परिवेष्टितो विजयते गोपाल चूड़ामणि.
Thank you.
Happy to see you again
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
with a performance, that brilliant one. You can express yourself now, then we will move to the other artists also.
So
Please go ahead.
I have seen Purva evolve, and what I see the evolution today also. So the traditional art form brought to all of us through technology today, and it was great. I can say that you actually broken the chain today, because we feel great within the lockdown, but we are still connected and we are free inside the lockdown. Thank you so much. I am so grateful.
That's wonderful. Please, there is an announcement now that now I think we have to switch to the Purva Parampara after Vishaka's performance from USA. So please bear this, because there is limitations in live to broadcast from this platform of Instagram. So wonderful. Seeing after so
Thank you.
many time. It's wonderful. Within a short span of time, you have done very good job. I'm happy that form, Abhinay, everything is with you, within you. So wonderful. Now you want to say something, you can share, and we can switch over to another performance.
Yes, sir. Namaste to all. It was a wonderful opportunity after so many years after coming to USA, and doing it online. It's amazing, and we are far yet feel that we are close mentally and emotionally. Thank you so much, sir.
My brother, it's wonderful words from you, Vishwa. See you again so in a short span of time. That's wonderful. Thank you so much. So now I'm taking over to the
Thank you.
performer, and that is Shweta Patel from director. Okay, take care.
Thank you, sir, too.
Now over to Shweta Patel now. So within a few seconds she will be online. As you have, lots of people have seen presently performing with me, assisting me in workshops and all these things. So she is right now here. Shweta is here. Happy to see you, Shweta. I am audible?
No, sir. I could not hear you, sir.
But I can hear you.
Good. Namaste, sir.
What I right now? Shweta, I think you should go to data connection instead of Wi-Fi. You have to rejoin again. So this is a little technical limitations we have. This I think we are here with the dance performance from Shweta Patel. As you know her, everyone knows she's very known, especially Purva Parivar. So okay, we are trying to connect with her again, and she will be online within seconds.
Disturbance, video is a disturbance.
Now I am audible. Can you hear me now? Okay. Yes, okay. So what are you presenting now?
So today I'll be presenting a small piece of.
Okay, that's wonderful. Deen deen tatana mere matana sadgani tumbirdani tadin tadillana deen deen tatana mere matana sadgani tumbirdani tadin tadillana deen deen tatana mere matana sadgani tumbirdani tadin tadillana deen deen tatana mere matana Sargani tumbildan, tatin tadillana din, tin tatana dire mata. Sargani tumbildan, tatin tadillana din, tin tatana dire mata. Sargani tumbildan, tatin tadillana din, tin tatana dire mata. Sargani tumbildan, tatin tadillana din, tin tatana dire इंद्रकन्या तेरे माता रानी तुम रानी तिल्लानदी इंद्रकन्या तेरे माता रानी तुम रानी पति इंद्र तिल्लानदी इंद्रकन्या तेरे माता रानी तुम रानी पति इंद्र तिल्लानदी इंद्रकन्या तेरे माता रानी तुम रानी पति इंद्र तिल्लानदी इंद्रकन्या तेरे माता Madhurani Kumbhirani Tadim Padipullanadi Intatana Tere Mata Madhurani Kumbhirani Tadim Padipullanadi Intatana Tere Mata Madhurani Kumbhirani Tadim Padipullanadi Intatana Tere Mata Madhurani Kumbhirani Tadim Padipullanadi Intatana That's wonderful. Of course, there was some technical issue was there, but we make up that, so there is no problem. You want to explain, then we can switch over to the last three performance of the day.
Definitely. I hope I'm audible to all of you.
Yes.
So, this is a very new experience for all the Purva Pari. About this is that we are able to come together on a common platform from different parts of the world. And okay, I was really excited to see all my super seniors and colleagues. Namaste.
That's wonderful. It's a wonderful word from you. So now I have to say bye-bye to you. You are waiting on the line. So
Looking forward, sir.
Dr. Apeksha.
Before Dr. Apeksha and the remaining total 4 performers present, please allow us 1 more minute as we are migrating to another internet network. Please stay tuned at Purva Parampara itself. Please stay on this ID itself. We are just switching the network for more clarity. Thank you.
Okay, so if you can listen to us and if you can see us, please give us a thumbs up so we know that the connection is good. अगर कनेक्शन अच्छा है, ऑडियो अच्छा है तो थम्स अप दीजिए प्लीज. थैंक यू.
Okay, yes, Vishwa, Manik Didi, thank you so much. We are connecting to the next participant. Thank you, Parth. We are connecting to
Dr. Apeksha. So now we have a doctor, we are waiting for Apeksha to be online, and she's my disciple, and by profession she's a dentist. Okay, she's here now. In a moment, okay, Apeksha is here now. Right now, she's in Halol, and she's going to present some. She's learning with me since last 1 year. Apeksha, I'm audible to you. I'm audible to you, Apeksha.
Apeksha has to switch to mobile Wi-Fi.
Okay, I am audible to you now. I think you better you switch on, switch over to the mobile data connection. I think your Wi-Fi is not working so good, so please switch over to the data connection of your mobile.
After that will be Dr. Sandhya.
Let's wait that she can listen to me. Now audible? Apeksha, you must switch over to the data connection instead of Wi-Fi. Okay, let's start. She's going to present some ideas.
Namaste.
So let's start, Apeksha. 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, you. Tat, tat, tat. Hey, you. Ta, ta, and hey, you. Tat, tat, tat. Hey, you. Ta, ta, and hey, you. Tat, tat, tat. Hey, you. Ta, ta, and hey, you. Tat, tat, tat. Hey, you. Ta, ta. Okay, Apeksha, now what is the next one? Be ready for that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, yum. Tat, tat, tat. Hey, yum. Ta, ta, and hey, yum. Tat, tat, tat. Hey, yum. Ta, ta, and hey, yum. Tat, tat, tat. Hey, yum. Ta, ta. So, what is the last one you have? Okay, go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, yum. Tat, tat, tat. Hey, yum. Ta, ta, and hey, yum. Tat, tat, tat. Hey, yum. Ta, ta, hey, yum. Tat, tat, tat. Hey, yum. Ta, ta. We have this audience bear with us because she has got some difficulty in getting the good connection. connectivity of Wi-Fi, but hopefully she's happy with the dance. And after that, we have to move to our next performer, and that is also doctor by profession, and she's also a dentist. So after some few words from Apeksha, we'll definitely switch over to Dr. Falguni Patel. Difficulty in getting that Wi-Fi. So now we are switching over to the Dr. Falguni Patel. By profession, she is also a dentist, and she is learning with me since last 6-7 months, and she will be here at any moment. We are getting on our line. Let's see, hopefully she will be fine with the connectivity.
Namaste, sir.
Okay, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are you presenting today?
The Nakaro third.
Okay, go ahead. Be a little back. Okay, that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, yung. Tap, 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 ting, yung. Ta, ta, and ting, yung. Tap, 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 ting, yung. Ta, ta, and ting, yung. Tap, 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 ting, yung. Ta, ta, and ting, yung. Tap, 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 ting, yung. Ta, ta. Okay, now what is the next one, Dr. Falguni? Okay, go a little back so I can see you in a good way. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, ta. Okay, jump, ready, ta. Ta, jump, jump, ready, jaga, ready, okay. Ta, jump, ta. Okay, jump, ready, ta. Ta, jump, ready, jaga, ready, okay. Ta, jump. That's wonderful. It's a good preparation. So, do you have any more, or that's okay?
Sir, we can perform. I can perform more. By
Which one? Okay.
Gennatum, sir.
Okay, do it. Okay, fine. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Win, na, to. Up, in, win, na, to. Up, in, win, na, to. Up, in, to. Up, in, win, na, to. Win, na, to. Up, in, win, na, to. Up, in, win, na, to. That's wonderful. Good preparing. You are a good student. So if you want to say something, you can say, and then we switch over to last two performer of this festival. Over to you.
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.
Sir, for giving me opportunity to perform in the festival so early. I am still a very, very junior student, and I have seen the performance of excellent dancers. I am like to the most basic, but still you recognize and let me perform. Thank you so much.
That's
Thank you, sir, to
wonderful.
you, and thank you, Neeru ma'am also. Neeru ma'am was my first teacher.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Thank you
Just
so much.
work hard.
Thank you, Mansi Didi, also for guiding.
Thank you. Now we are switching over to the second last performer of the day, and she is Srimati. You can disconnect yourself, Falguni now. Now we are switching over to Srimati Madhushri Malik, and she's learning with me since last more than 2 years now. Let's see what she is performing today. We are inviting her, we are trying to connect her at the earliest. See her at the earliest now. Okay. So she's online now. Hopefully. Okay, now she's online. नमस्ते मधुश्री. ओके, चलिए आप क्या बता रही हो?
नमस्ते गुरुजी.
हाँ चलिए मधुश्री के बारे में बता दूं. शी इज अ हाउसवाइफ and she has got one lovely girl and she is learning. Yes, नहीं दे रहा है.
एक मिनट गुरुजी.
चलिए आप क्या बता रही हो आज?
सुनने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, फिर भी आवाज आ रही है ना? सुनाई दे रहा है मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है. आपको सुनाई दे रहा है? Do one thing, switch over to the data connection instead of Wi-Fi. So चलिए हो गया क्या? सुनाई दे रहा है?
हाँ गुरुजी.
चलिए. One more participant is waiting in USA. It's early morning there, so let's go fast. चलिए शुरू करिए. 1, 2, 3, 4. और क्या बता रही हो?
नेक्स्ट डेडिकेटेड तुम गुरुजी.
ओके चलिए शुरू करिए. 1, 2, 3, 4. डैडी टिक टो टिक टक डैडी टिक टक टो टक टिक टक डैडी टिक टक टो टक टिक टो टिक टक डैडी टिक टक टो डैडी टिक टक टो टिक टक डैडी टिक टक टो टक टिक टक डैडी टिक टक टो टक टिक टो टिक टक डैडी टिक टक टो डैडी टिक टक टो. अच्छा अभी कुछ बताना है या हो गया?
हाँ नमस्ते गुरुजी. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्या मैं आज सबके सामने आपने मुझे इतना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया, प्लेटफॉर्म दिया घर पे करने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच गुरुजी, हीरो आंटी एंड मानसी दीदी. थैंक यू सो मच.
चलिए बहुत अच्छा लगा. दैट्स वंडरफुल. ऐसे ही बस करती रहो और सीखती रहो. सो अभी हम आपसे विदा लेंगे और द लास्ट परफॉर्मर माय भारत सीनियर स्टूडेंट वेटिंग इन यूएसए. सो टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. बाय बाय. So we have the last performer of this online festival today is Mrs. Manek Joshi from Los Angeles, USA.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste. Looking good, Manek.
Yes,
What is the time right now there in Los Angeles?
It's 8 a.m.
8 a.m. Okay, I thought it is a 6 early morning.
No, it was 6:30 at the beginning.
Okay, that's wonderful. So what are you presenting right now?
I'm going to present Nataraja first audio, second, and fifth one.
Okay, Natadal second and the fifth one.
First, second, and fifth.
Okay, first, second, and fifth, no problem. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, Tei, Yung, Tat, Tat, Ta, Tei, Yung, Ta, Ta, and Tei, Yung, Tat, Tat, Ta, Tei, Yung, Ta, Ta, and Tei, Yung, Tat, Tat, Ta, Tei, Yung, Ta, Ta. Okay, and I think you are going to perform the fifth one now.
Sorry.
You are performing the fifth one now.
Yes.
Okay, I think that is the last one from your side.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good to hear, Samir. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tei, Yung, Tat, Tat, Ta, Tei, Yung, Ta, Ta, and Tei, Yung, Tat, Tat, Ta, Tei, Yung, Ta, Ta, and Tei, Yung, Tat, Ta, Tat, Ta, Tei, Yung, Ta, Ta, and Tei, Yung, Tat, Tat, Ta, Tei, Yung, Ta, Ta. Very happy, Mahe. Yeah, you have maintained the basic everything, basic form, tal, lay, everything is very fine. So I am happy.
Thank you.
I could not make to see you dance at that time when I was there with you in Los Angeles, but you make me happy that still dance is with you, within you.
Thank you,
So
Guruji.
I hope to continue with online with you. So it's wonderful to have you all. And
Thank
if
you.
you want to say something, so you please say, and then we'll go ahead.
Yes. Thank you so much for giving such a nice platform and first of all, like believing in me more than me, myself believing in me that I can do it after 13 years of break. And this was a wonderful idea. So thank you so much.
So happy to see you all. Thank you so much, all participants. And okay, I have to take leave from you.
Yes, sir.
So I can talk to everyone, the end part.
Thank you.
Okay, see you soon. So thank you everyone, all participants and their families. So very happy to see you again, all dancing and having you all be together. And I wish and pray, and of course I give you advice also that during this lockdown time duration, the great situation what the world is facing. Be safe, lock down yourself in your home, and be safe. Take care of yourself very well. And I am switching over. I am giving over to Mansi, and she will finally with you with some words.
Thank you, everybody. Today, the festival was a good start to new ideas and to new ventures to connect without borders. And I'm so happy that I got an opportunity to support a little bit technically around along with my brother Parth here today. And the lockdown has been beneficial to most of us as we can be at home, spend time with the families, and also spend time with the self in trying to do what we like the most. Very happy that all of us could connect as disciples of Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya on this platform with an online festival. There are a lot of crises around the global pandemic situation, but what we can do best is just stay at home and do something that we can be mentally and physically fit. Today's video recording will be available on the YouTube channel of Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya. The first part, which took place on the other Instagram ID, Sharad Pandya ID of Instagram, and this Purva Parampara ID, the second half of the festival, of the online festival. Both the parts will be available together as one film. on Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya's ID in the next 48 hours. Over to Dr. Guru Sharad Pandya for the final words. Thank you.
દરેક પાર્ટિસિપન્ટ્સને ખાસ કહેવાનું કે લગભગ અડધો કલાક પછી તમે તમારા વોટ્સએપ ઉપર ચેક કરજો, તમારા માટે કંઈક સરપ્રાઈઝ છે. તો બધાને ખૂબ ખૂબ આશીર્વાદ, ખૂબ ધન્યવાદ. જેવી મહેનત તમે થોડા દિવસના સમયની અંદર ગાળામાં કરી, પણ ખરેખર કરતા રહેજો. તમારામાં આવડત છે, તમારી એક પોતાની ઓળખ છે, એને મરવા ના દેશો. દુનિયામાં બધું જ કામ કરવાનું હોય, એ બધાની સાથે આપણે આપણી પરંપરા, આપણી ઓળખ, આપણી આવડતને પણ જાળવવાની છે. આપણે આપણી જાતની સાથે જીવવાનું છે અને જીવવા માટે આપણી કળા આપણી સાથે છે. હું આશા રાખું છું અને ઈચ્છું છું કે બધા જોડાયેલા આવી રીતે રહીએ, ઓનલાઈન પણ કામ કરતા રહીએ. આપણી પાસે હવે ટેકનોલોજીનો ઉપયોગ સરસ છે, એનો સારો ઉપયોગ કરીએ અને વધુને વધુ કામ કરતા રહીએ. અને તમને મારા આશીર્વાદ ડાન્સના રૂપમાં મળતા રહે અને તમે એને લેતા રહો અને ખૂબ કામ કરતા રહીએ. અને તમને બધાને ડાન્સ કરતા જોતો રહો, નૃત્ય કરતા જોતો રહો, એવી આશા અને આશીર્વાદ સાથે હું તમારા બધાની રજા લઉં છું. ફરીથી બધાને ધન્યવાદ. Thank you so much, each and everyone.